Hey guys, you're with MVI. We are in a 2020 Chevy Silverado. I've been getting quite a few requests for wireless charging. Of course, we've got the one for the full center console, which does go here. If you've got the full center console, sorry, the truck's a wreck right now. I'm going to show you some other stuff. But if you got the bench, a lower trim model with the center console flip up seat here, we do have a solution for the wireless charging. Not going to be able to get it here, which is where I've been getting requests for, and the reason why, just not enough room in there to put any kind of a charging module. So I do have this somewhat taken apart already, and I'll show you what a little bit more. But to do what I got to do here, you'll pull this cup holder out. There's two T15 Torx right there. That's gonna come out. Access two screws here, here, and here. So I'll show you that here in a second. And then one back here. So as a solution, we can actually put this guy in here and get it to charge that way. You can see it just kicked on and I'm charging. So not really a whole lot of other options as far as a charger goes, and you could kind of relocate this pretty much wherever you want it in here, guys. So wouldn't necessarily have to be right there in the center. So I'll show you here in just a second. I'll come back and show you what we're doing. So with the tray out, we've got plenty of room to pretty much put this wherever you want it. You can slide it wherever you want. And this is just foam. It can be notched out. You can kind of see where it indented down there, where I had it after I pressed it back down. So we can send it with this bracket right here, which will allow you to like hot glue whatever in place if you wanted to. Don't really even need the bracket. We can talk about that. Again, this is just the solution. Unfortunately, so you're gonna have to connect to power and ground, and there's not a whole lot of options. I've even been under the seat, just not much there. So I've got this rigged up to a jump box here, but I'll send a harness long enough. You're either gonna have to come over here to the BCM, which sits over here, or over to the other side. I'll show you where to tag a wire for the hot. So if you get the side panel off, guys, you've got your right side fuse panel here. Open up this tape slightly right here, and inside is one purple with a yellow striped wire staring right at you. This is accessory. I'm gonna do some more digging to see. It may be easier to go to the BCM, so I'll have a picture of that noted as well, but you just want to kind of open this up and we can tag right to it. So you'll have to bring the wire harness through the carpet over and then up to tag it, or over to the BCM. So again, guys, an option for wireless charging if you want to add it to the jump seat here.